Hello everybody! In this video, I wanted to show y'all how I do maintenance to my 2004 GSX-R 600. For those who don't know, I bought this bike with 45,000 miles on it, and the engine blew up 2 days after. I had to buy a new engine and swap it. This one currently has 15,000 miles on it, so I want to make sure everything is on point. I'ma be using the Liqui Moly engine flush. Very important. It has to be the one for motorcycles. It's really simple to use. Just pour it in your engine and let the bike idle for 10 minutes.
Feeling on you.
You just gotta pull your clutch a few times to make sure it cleans the clutch side too. Make sure your coolant is working well so you don't overheat your engine.
Many minutes later.
Now what I'ma do is remove the drain plug and let that old oil go out. Now I'm removing the oil filter too, which I seriously recommend getting a K and N because they have the little socket to use a wrench. What I like to do when installing a new oil filter is getting some of the old oil and apply it into the O-ring. So it creates a good seal and prevents leaks. I also recommend filling it up with the new oil so the engine doesn't start dry.
Como quiero el agua potable. Okay, so we're almost done. I haven't done the air filter yet, but I'm gonna do the spark plugs. And a quick trick for the spark plugs, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm already loosening it, so I'm gonna just take it off, loosen it completely, and I think that should be it. If it doesn't come here, you just get your, oh shit, I forgot the name for this. Plug it in and pull it, but it's not loose enough. Oh, it actually came here and I didn't notice. But if it didn't come there, you just wanna, you know, put it back in. Now the same thing applies when you wanna put it back in. This is a brand new spark plug. Okay, it's brand new. And what you wanna do is just put it inside here. Make sure it's clicking so it don't fall, because you don't wanna just throw the spark plug there because it can damage the thread. And spin it with this, and now you can pull it and keep going with the ratchet.
The next day.
Now Ima drop that oil and fill it up back again so I have a brand new oil. The one I used was Lucas, and I really prefer using Mobile One Racing 4 times. I've heard that you can use 2050 on this bike, but I'm gonna stick to the 1040 that says the manual. To remove the brake pads, you gotta loosen up these 2 bolts. And then remove the ones that hold the caliper to the disc. I like to insert a wrench in between the old brake pads, so it will be easier to install the new ones without forcing them in. This was a short video, but I hope it can help anyone who has this bike, and if I helped you or you liked it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Ride safe.